Hey friends, my name is Mani, owner of Projects with Mani YouTube channel. And if anyone looking for a ready-made projects, or else if anyone stuck behind any projects regarding of making the project, or else regarding coding, or else regarding setup of the project, we provide the complete assistance which will be paid at lower cost. Or else if you want complete ready-made plug and play project at a lowest cost to your location, we will provide the projects at very low cost. So please do contact to this mail ID or else to this number. Thank you. Hey friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video, I will let you know how to make a soil moisture monitoring system using Blynk IoT app, and also to show the real-time soil moisture values in 16 cross 2 LCD display as well. As we can see, when I'm pouring the water in the soil, the percentage of moisture is increasing gradually. So before going too into deep, please finish 100 likes for this video, and without any further ado, let's quickly get started with this video. To make this project, the requirements that we need are breadboard, ESP8266 NodeMCU, a 16 cross 2 LCD display with I2C, soil moisture sensor, and some jumper cables. Now follow this circuit diagram and make your connections. Now follow these steps for Blynk setup. Now connect the USB to your PC or laptop. Now open Device Manager to see COM port. As the NodeMCU is connected at COM6, I will be choosing COM6 in port and board as NodeMCU 1.0. And now this is time to upload the code. Let's set up the Blynk in our phone. After doing all these things, our project will work like this.
If you are looking for a ready-made project, please contact to this number or else mail to this email ID. I hope you like this video, then do hit that like button and also share this video among with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe for more such videos, and I will see you in the next one.